welcome back to my YouTube channel, guys. Today we are going to be making flan. If you guys don't know what it is, it's a Mexican dessert. So if you guys want to know how to make it, then continue on with this video. So for the first step, you want to have a half cup of sugar and a pot with the stove medium-low heat. And you want to pour the sugar in. And you want to mix it with a spoon or whatever you have. And you want the sugar to dissolve and to caramelize.
A few moments later.
Okay, so right now it has this rocky consistency, and this is good because this is how you know that it is melting, because it's clumping up together. And how the rocks are, and it's like getting browner and browner, as you could see, like right here. So it's already caramelized, which this is what you want, and it's really watery. You want no lumps, and I have no lumps. So you want to turn off the heat, and I have a bowl right here, and you want to pour your sugar in. Just a layer right there. Okay, now we are going to let the sugar cool. You don't want to put it in the refrigerator, so you want to leave it onto a countertop or anywhere. So we're going to let this cool, and then we are going to go on with the rest of the flan. 5 eggs, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, 1 can of condensed milk. The last thing, 1 can evaporated milk. So the first thing that we are going to put inside the blender are these 3 full eggs. And then we are going to use the yolk for these 2 eggs, and I'll show you how to do that. So the thing to get the egg white out of the egg, to use only the yolk, is you need to crack the egg, try to get it like right in the middle, and then we need to go like this, and we're going to use the jiggle method. If you guys don't know what the jiggle method is we basically need to bring the yolk side by side. And this actually helps the egg white come out. Now that I poured in all the eggs inside the blender, now I am going to mix it. Gets this consistency, we need to pour in the 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract. Now we pour in the 1 can of sweetened condensed milk. Whoa. Now we are going to pour in the 1 can evaporated milk. Now we mix. my cooled sugar right here. Now we are going to pour this into the bowl. Now we put this inside the oven. So this is what it looks like. It's basically a metal pan with water in it. Now I'm going to let the flan cook for an hour and 15 minutes. If it's not cooked, then you want it to stay in the oven for about another 10 to 15 minutes until fully cooked. Okay, so I just took it out of the oven. Now I am going to let it cool down, but first I am going to loosen up the edges so that way it could be easier for me to put it on the plate. I'm talking about like. Oh no! There we go. So it's already cooled. And now I'm going to try to flip it. So you want to get a plate. You want to put it over. And you want to flip it. Is it good? And boom! There we go. So I am going to taste it, and it did kind of like went right there, but it's fine. So I'm gonna cut a piece, nice little square. I'm going to pick this up. Beautiful. It's super good. Alright, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up and subscribe to my YouTube channel. Turn on that post notifications. Thank you guys for watching, and bye.